Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft account privacy settings for data controls, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft account sign-in page. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Click on the Next button. Input your password in the designated field. Select the Sign In button. Once signed in, locate the Privacy tab on the top menu. Click on the Privacy tab to access your privacy settings. You will see several sections related to data controls. Start with the Activity History section. Review the information displayed here regarding your activity data. If you wish to manage this data, click on the Manage My Activity Data link. Here, you can choose to clear your activity history. You can also toggle settings to enable or disable activity history collection. Next, move to the Personalization section. Review the settings that control how your information is used for personalized experiences. You can adjust these settings according to your preferences. Next, check the Data and Personalization section. Click on it to explore how your data is used across Microsoft services. You can opt in or out of various data collection practices here. Now, navigate to the Ad Settings section. Review how your data is used for ad personalization. You can choose to turn off personalized ad settings if desired. Return to the main privacy settings page. Locate the Security section for additional data protection options. Enable features such as two-step verification for added security. Lastly, take a moment to review the Permissions section. Check which apps and services have access to your Microsoft account data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.